In a groundbreaking move for both electric vehicle enthusiasts and classic car lovers, Electrogenic has unveiled a drop-in electric conversion kit for the iconic Mazda MX-5 Miata. This new kit allows owners of older MX-5 models to convert their beloved sports cars into fully electric vehicles, and astonishingly, the conversion weighs less than the 2025 Mazda Miata RF. This milestone is a significant leap forward in the world of automotive electrification, offering a fresh, eco-friendly twist on a beloved classic. The Mazda MX-5 Miata, renowned for its lightweight construction, sharp handling, and iconic status, has long been a favorite among driving enthusiasts. The idea of transforming this agile, petrol-powered roadster into an all-electric vehicle seems like a dream come true for many. With Electrogenic's new conversion kit, that dream is now a reality. What sets this conversion apart from others is its ability to reduce the weight of the car's powertrain while maintaining performance and driving dynamics. This is especially impressive considering that many electric conversions often add significant weight due to the size of the battery packs and electric motors. The fact that Electrogenic's electric conversion for the Mazda MX-5 Miata is lighter than the 2025 Mazda Miata RF, a car designed to be a modern, high-performance version of the classic, is a testament to the company's engineering ingenuity. By carefully selecting lightweight components and optimizing the battery placement, Electrogenic has managed to preserve the nimbleness and agility that made the MX-5 famous. This is a crucial factor for maintaining the driving experience that fans of the Miata have come to love. Electrogenic's kit features a custom-designed battery pack and electric motor that seamlessly integrate into the MX-5's chassis, ensuring minimal disruption to the car's handling and balance. The new electric motor offers instant torque delivery, providing a smooth, yet exhilarating driving experience. While the classic MX-5 is known for its peppy four-cylinder engine, the electric motor provides more than enough power to retain the car's lively character, making it just as fun to drive as the gasoline version. One of the key advantages of the electric conversion is the environmental benefits. Converting older vehicles like the MX-5 to electric power helps reduce their carbon footprint by eliminating emissions and improving overall energy efficiency. This aligns with the growing demand for more sustainable mobility solutions, particularly in the automotive world. For Miata owners who want to keep their cars while embracing a cleaner, greener alternative, Electrogenic's conversion kit offers an ideal solution. The kit's installation process is designed to be as straightforward as possible. Electrogenic offers a drop-in solution, meaning that the conversion can be done without major modifications to the car's original frame or structure. The battery pack, electric motor, and necessary electronics are all designed to fit the existing spaces within the MX-5, making it a relatively easy and reversible process. This feature makes the conversion kit an attractive option for those who still want the option to revert their car back to its original state, should they choose to do so in the future. Electrogenic's conversion not only enhances the Miata's environmental credentials but also adds a whole new level of driving enjoyment. The instant torque provided by the electric motor results in immediate acceleration, giving the driver a unique experience that differs from traditional gasoline engines. With fewer moving parts and less need for maintenance, an electric MX-5 also requires less upkeep than its internal combustion counterpart, making it an easier car to maintain over the long term. Another exciting aspect of the conversion kit is its compatibility with a wide range of MX-5 models. Whether owners have an early 1990s model or a more recent iteration, Electrogenic's kit can be adapted to fit different versions of the iconic roadster. This makes the conversion accessible to a broad audience of Miata enthusiasts who want to keep their cars relevant in an increasingly electric world. The potential for customization also means that the converted MX-5 can maintain its distinctive look and feel, while benefiting from the latest electric car technology. The price of the conversion kit remains an important consideration for many, but Electrogenic's offering provides a competitive value for those looking to electrify their classic cars. The cost of the conversion depends on the model and specific features chosen, but given the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance, it's an investment that many Miata owners may find worthwhile. In conclusion, Electrogenic's drop-in Mazda MX-5 EV conversion kit represents a fantastic solution for classic car enthusiasts who want to embrace electric mobility without sacrificing the performance and handling of the original MX-5. Weighing less than the 2025 Mazda Miata RF, this kit proves that electric conversions can be light, fast, and fun, all while helping reduce environmental impact. As the automotive world shifts toward more sustainable solutions, Electrogenic's innovation is helping pave the way for the future of electric classic cars.